one, but two types, Studio A and Studio B, so you can choose whatever configuration you would want. Here, we have a lot of options, not just one, not just two, but 4 options for this space. You can either go solo, you can either go duo with a friend, you can also go duet with also your friends or family members, or you can enjoy it with all of your friends, like 4 of them. Okay? So we have here a space for for startups, or if you want to like be on your own. You have a space here. This is the solo layout. You can also do it with a friend. So you have your own space. Or you can also do a duo with a friend, just in a different layout. And most importantly, if you really want to hang out or live with your friends, we also can do combo. So basically, these are the things that you can do with the nest that we have created for you. But wait, there's more. We also have special units that we are going to offer for this area. We have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom for each floor. So there's only one bedroom and 1 2 bedroom for each floor. 1 bedroom can be good for a startup family. 2 bedrooms can actually fit 1 combo and 1 solo, so you can be with a lot more. This is also good for investors. This is also a good place for you to be with more of your friends, or even a space or another bedroom for your parents if you would want to visit you, or you and your siblings if you live together. So basically, all of these things that we have created is for the students and the work warriors to enjoy, so they can create their own stories.